Hello, and this is another video for welcoming you to our Modern Latin American History class. This one I just wanted to say welcome. Please use the Getting Started features within Blackboard to begin the course, and please ask questions whenever you have them via email or via text message. If you've used my text message number, please be sure to identify yourself by name the first couple of times you text me, just so that I can be sure to get you in my contacts and know who I'm talking to. Also, I wanted to mention that as we get started this week, Unit 1 is an exception to the general rules, which you'll find as you work through the Getting Started materials. Unit 1 lasts for just a week, although most of the other units last for 2 weeks. And Unit 1 has a bunch of different kinds of assignments than the units usually do. For example, we won't be doing reading tweets as outlined in the reading tweets assignment for Unit 1. Instead, you'll just be getting familiar with Twitter by posting two tweets to our course hashtag. So let me know if you have questions about that as we start going. Also, if you found this, you've found Pi, which is the interactive announcement board that we'll be using this term. Please feel free to post here. Please read through all of the other announcements that I've already posted. There's just a few, but I have given you a Twitter tutorial if you don't know how to use it yet or you haven't used it yet, and a couple of other things here below. So please do check that out. I wanted to mention that or at least encourage you to please get your work for Unit 1 done early this time around if you can, by all means. That's always a good idea. But on Saturday I'm leaving for Mexico City and I won't be back until Tuesday, the 29th. I'm doing a symposium on violence in the U.S.-Mexico borderlands, history of that. And so I will be kind of out of the loop on the last 2 days of the unit. So if you don't begin until Saturday or Sunday, I won't be able to get back to you to help you answer your questions. If you look things over before then, however, and send me your questions, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Pretty excited to head to Mexico City. It's great to be part of a research symposium on the history of violence in the borderlands, and I'll let you all know how it goes when I get back. One other thing I wanted to mention as well here is that if you're trying to do the video announcement, or excuse me, the video introduction, for whatever reason, the instructions that Blackboard gives you in that PDF, they don't work. They haven't been working recently, and I think it's an issue that Blackboard has that they're just not going to fix until we update it again, which won't happen until next year sometime. So what you can do is record a video on your own device using your own video capture software if you're using a PC or a Mac, or if you have a tablet or an iPad or a smartphone, you can record a video via those as well. Then you can either upload it to YouTube and share the link with us. If you do, make sure that you've listed it as unlisted rather than private, because private means no one else can see it. Unlisted just means that only the people you share it with can see it. And of course, public means that it's available to anyone online. So if you share via YouTube, keep those things in mind. Share the link with us. That will work just fine. Or if you create it on a computer, you can attach the video file in your introduction. So those are just some workarounds for that. I apologize that the instructions that Blackboard gives us aren't working at the present time. So please ask questions early and often, and I look forward to getting to know all of you and to learning more about Latin American history with you.